Namaskar, I JVN Rekha Sharma, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Department Fashion and Interior from Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Khush raho bitiyaon. Today's our session name is draping. What is draping? Draping is the process of transforming a clothing design into three-dimensional form. The art of draping dates back to 3500 BCE, beginning with the Mesopotamians and ancient Egyptians. Greek fashion followed with the invention of draped silhouettes like the chiton, paplos, chelmias, and Hamilton. These are dress names of Egyptians. The Etruscans and ancient Romans invented the toga, a length of fabric that wraps and drapes around the body. Throughout the ages, clothing was categorized as either fitted or draped. A fitted garment would be sewn together and worn close to body, in contrast to a draped garment such as a toga that does not require sewing. In today's fashion world, both fitted and draped garments can be patterned using the draping process. Why should we use draping? Designers love the art of draping because they're on the dress form, because their designs come to life as they manipulate the fabric on the dress form. Even though a designer may start out with a design sketch, during the draping process, a new and more interesting design usually takes shape. This is why draping is considered the more creative method of pattern making. Unlike the two-dimensional pattern making process, draping allows the designer to get a feel for the fabric as the fabric is draped on the form. Draping enables the designer to make better choices when considering the suitability of a particular fabric to its design. What is draping technique and its process? Draping technique is the technique which means the way of fabric hanging. The method of draping includes stitching the garment by the use of loosely hanging material to create or flowing effect. Even it can create for a very impressive effect when finished approximately. Draping needs ability and practice to do exact fitting, fall and fullness. Most of the designers choose to try out with the mode of fabric hangings, but also there are purpose able way to determine drape. Draping technique is generally used in making garments but can also be used to develop skirts, blouses and pants also. What is the process of draping technique? Draping at first started with a designer taking a normal basic dress and putting it on a dressmaker's model. Already the garment was sewn before starting draping. While stitching the garment, core shape and fit should be mentioned properly to dress up the model perfect. The next technique is the designer takes pieces of fabric, pins and required material before starting draping. Pin them to the garment where the drape is preferred, which will provide the finished garment shape. Most of the time, the pinned fabric were not the same as the fabric which was used on the final garment, but they will be using comparable priceless materials for draping. The reason is that the fabric which was pinned on the garment will frequently be slashing or marked on while the design process is going. It can be costly with well clothes. After the designer has made the garment appearing the way that the model requests the model will create the final marks on the fabrics to explain where the slashes and sewn should be made on the concluded garment, and then the fabric pieces will be removed. Designer will take the pieces and trace them on the paper to create a pattern for the final garment. This will be used to guide for making the garment. So it is so important for the designer to make a detailed marks on the performed fabric. Mechanism of draping. Designers have to consider a lot of aspects where they are draping the fabrics. The material and GSM of a fabric can significantly modify the way it drapes on a garment. The materials like chiffon, satin, and silk are rather usually considered in draped clothing. Some other materials can also be used as well. More inflexible fabrics are unsuitable for the draping effect. However, most of the designers would have a preference to experiment with fabrics to check how they hang. There are some specific ways to check the fabric draping mode. This can be over either by identifying the thickness and stiffness of a fabric sample or the method of using a tool called as drape meter. Drape meter are used to determine a drape coefficient. It contains a number from 0 to 100 in written format. For example, satin and muslin clothes have good draping property that than will 12 hosieries. So this is the draping mechanism or process. Hope you understand the topic of draping. What is draping? The introduction of draping. Thank you. If you have any doubt, please text me. I will define you in our live session.